Hey guys, welcome back to Delf Stack, and today I will be showing you how to save passwords in Brave browser. So guys, sometimes if you have inputted your password or logged in into an account, automatically there will be a pop-up that if you want to save the password, it will always request you, but you can do that manually as well by going to the three lines on the top right corner over here. And right after that, you could go ahead and go for the settings, which is the gear icon down below over here. And now over here, you just simply go ahead and go for autofill and password on the left side of the screen. And you will have an option over here, guys, password manager. So click on that. And from here, you can just simply add over here and just simply provide a site. So for example, my site will be google.com, and pretty much over here down below, I'm going to provide my username. I'm going to be using Delf Stack as our username, and just simply provide your password and make sure you are saving your current password for this site. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and type in my password, and if you want to see it, you will just simply utilize this feature, which you can show any password and you could give a hint over here as well. And now once you are done, select save, and you should be able to save your password into the Brave browser. And if you have other website as well, it will be listed all over here. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.